Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to talk about copying data in between Excel sheets. And the reason you might want to do this is if you have data that's in one sheet that you want to also be in the other sheet, obviously you can copy it over. But also if you want to create a direct link so that the first sheet, whenever that's changed, that will populate into the second sheet. There's a way to do that, and I'll show you how. So the first method is simply copy and paste. So let's say, using this example here, I have this table. We want to copy this and put it in a new sheet. We're just going to select all the table and either Command C to copy, or right-click and select copy, or edit and copy. All of those options work. Let's select a new sheet, and I hit Command N for that, and then paste into here. So now you have the data copied. So now the trickier part is getting the data from the first sheet to be linked to the second sheet. And the way we're going to do that is select in a cell, type the equal sign, and then make sure that you have both of the sheets open as we do now. Go into Window, select the first sheet that you want to extract the data from, and now you can select whatever cell you want to have that data populated in. So if we wanted to have the class average transferred over, we can just click on that cell, click back to our original sheet, hit enter, and as you can see, the actual information has been transported from the original document into this one in the form of a formula and displayed as text. So that's basically how to copy information from one Excel sheet to another. My name is Justin Conway. I hope that helped.